During the early 9th century the greater Chittagong area, including Cox's Bazar, was under the rule of Arakan kings until its conquest by the Mughals in 1666. 6. When the Mughal prince Shah Shuja was passing through the hilly terrain of the present-day Cox's Bazar on his way to Arakan, he was attracted to its scenic and captivating beauty. He commanded his forces to camp there. His retinue of 1,000 palanquins stopped there for some time. A place named Dula Hazra, meaning 1,000 palanquins, still exists in the area. After the Mughals, the place came under the control of the Tipurs and the Arakanese, followed by the Portuguese and then the British. The name Cox's Bazar originated from the name of a British East India Company officer, Captain Hiram Cox, who was appointed as the superintendent of Palanque, today's Cox's Bazar, outpost. He succeeded Warren Hastings, who became the governor of Bengal following the British East India Company Act in 1773. Cox embarked upon the task of rehabilitation and settlement of the Arakanese refugees in the area. 7. He rehabilitated many refugees in the area, but died in 1799 before finishing his work. To commemorate him, a market was established and named after him, called Cox's Bazar. Cox's Bazar was first established in 1854 and became a municipality in 1869. 6. After the Sepoy Mutiny in 1857, the British East India Company was highly criticized on humanitarian grounds, especially for its opium trade monopoly over the Indian subcontinent. However, after its dissolution on January 1, 1874, the company's assets, including its armed forces, were acquired by the British Crown. After this takeover, Cox's Bazar was declared a district of the Bengal province under the British Crown. Just after the end of British rule in 1947, Cox's Bazar became part of East Pakistan. Captain Advocate Fazlul Karim, the first post-independence chairman of Cox's Bazar municipality, established the tamarisk forest along the beach. He wanted to attract tourists as well as to protect the beach from tsunamis. He donated much of his father-in-law's and his own lands as sites for constructing a public library and a town hall. Karim was inspired to build Cox's Bazar as a tourist spot after seeing beaches of Bombay and Karachi, and was a resort pioneer in developing Cox's Bazar as a destination.